Hello, Felbrigg. This is one of your house captains. My name is Zara, and it is wonderful to see so many of you trying very hard and getting lots of house points and merits during these difficult times. Keep up the great work. Positive minds create positive results. It's not just the written work that is important. Reading, PE, spelling shed, and timetable rock stars are great as well. Remember to stay in unless it's essential. If you have to go out, wear your mask, keep a 2 metre distance, and wash your hands. Let's do our bit to help each other and our NHS. Thank you to all the staff and all of you and your parents for helping keep us and our school safe.
Hi everyone, I'd like to talk to you today about a few things that we can all do to keep each other safe and learning. If you're struggling to stay positive, I would advise that you FaceTime message and chat with your friends and family. If you're unable to, then try calming yourself down by saying things to yourself like it will get better and everything will be okay, and don't be scared to ask for help. It's really important that we are all completing our work when it is set, because before we went into this lockdown, we already had 6 months lost, which means we are losing more time learning in the classroom. Please collect your packs or use Shavy to make sure we are all still learning at the same rate as in the classroom. Again, if you need help, make sure that you ask a parent or a teacher. Reading at home is also very important. It helps us with our English and communication, as well as learning new information. Well done to everyone that has kept reading and keep going to help towards those house points and merits. Keeping fit is another way to help stay positive. Keeping fit can be as simple as going for a walk with your dog or running on the spot for 1 minute. Also, staying fit can help you become a happier and healthier person if you're finding things hard. Keeping safe is a crucial step to not only keeping others safe, but the more you spend time around others, the more risk you're putting not only on yourself but the person you are seeing. It is safest if you have to go shopping at the store, then anyone 11 or above should wear a mask for their own safety and keep everyone as safe as possible and stick to 2 meters distance. All that I've mentioned is helps protect the NHS, and this is crucial because they have saved thousands of lives for our community and continue to. So please remember to appreciate the NHS for all their incredible work and stick to the guidelines. I hope to see you all when we can safely, and stay safe.
Please design a poster to remind others to stay safe. Try to include things like hands, wear a mask, keep a 2 metre distance, staying in unless it's essential, have the vaccine, and keep positive. You can also do a poster about home learning as well, and it can include the important things like doing all of your lessons in a day, including PE, reading, and if you have some time, include spelling shed and timetable rock stars.
So mine is, I would like to suggest a poster competition on why we have vaccinations. It could include things like why we have vaccinations and how they can help, and the most information and best presented will win. Take a picture of this poster and send it to this email address.
Stay safe. Let's go Felbrigg.
Go Felbrigg rules.